Hey everybody, Colin here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change the oil in a 2008 to 2012 Ford Escape. Before I get into that, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Today, I'll be changing the oil in this 2008 Escape XLT, and procedures will be similar for many Ford Escapes from 2008 to 2012, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Run the engine until it reaches operating temperature or until the fan comes on. Then turn off the engine. Raise and support the front end. Slide a drain pan into place under the drain plug. Use your ratchet and 15mm socket to remove the drain plug. And let the oil run out completely. Use a rag or shop towel to wipe any excess oil from around the opening and off the drain plug. Replace your drain plug and tighten it to 18 foot-pounds. Locate the oil filter and make sure your drain pan is directly under it. Use your filter wrench to loosen it if needed. Finish removing it by hand and pour the oil from the filter into the drain pan. Wipe down the area where the filter was threaded and make sure the old O-ring came off with the filter. Lubricate the new O-ring with fresh oil. Thread the new filter into place by hand. Once the O-ring is against the oil pan, give the filter 3/4 of a turn to secure it. Open the hood and locate the oil-filled cap. Refill the oil with the amount and type of oil recommended by the manufacturer. In our case, we'll put in 6 quarts of 5W20. If your Escape is a 2.3 liter, add 4.5 quarts of 5W20. If it's a 3 liter, you'll add 6 quarts of 5W20. Replace the oil-filled cap and use the dipstick to check the oil level. Start the engine. Let it run for at least 3 minutes. Then turn off the engine and check the oil level again. Make sure there aren't any leaks. Once you're sure there aren't any leaks, slide your drain pan out from under the car. It's now safe to lower the front end. And close the hood. To reset the oil life indicator, press and release the setup button twice until you see the oil life percentage hold reset displayed. Press and hold the reset button for 2 seconds or until oil life set to 100% is displayed. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.